Before you spend months searching for someone, it is worth confirming they are still alive. And the Social Security Death Index is the fastest way to check. It is drawn from Social Security Administration death records and contains tens of millions of entries, typically listing name, birth date, death date, and the state where the number was issued. It is searchable free through several genealogy platforms. Two limitations matter enormously. First, coverage is strongest from the 1960s onward and thinner before that. Second, and more importantly, the public version has been restricted since 2011, so recent deaths are frequently absent, and omission is not proof someone is alive. Use it as a screen rather than a verdict. If you find a match, confirm it against an obituary, a death certificate, or a probate filing before you rely on it, because same-name matches are common. If you find nothing, keep searching. Our research team confirms life status as a standard first step so clients do not chase someone who has passed. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.